Hey guys, Josh from JT Home Loans. Here to talk to you today about buying homes with bad credit. Firstly, what is bad credit? I suppose if you've missed payments on bills, you've managed to incur defaults, or you're continually late in payments, this will impact on your credit scoring. We did talk about this in some earlier videos. Now, why that's important is, again, it's not to say that you can't get lending, but just be aware that the worse you look on paper to a bank, the only banks that are going to work with you are going to charge you more money. There's going to potentially be what they call risk fees, which in some instances can be 1 or 2% of the loan balance. So $500,000 loan, 1%, $5,000. Obviously, significant cost to wear, no matter what your equity position is in the property. That is what those lenders do, and it's to protect themselves because, as I said, you don't look like the best candidate on paper. But it's not precluding you from getting mortgages, it's simply saying we need to understand the parameters of what it looks like for you. So if you already have a bad credit rating and you know your credit's quite poor, come to us, be open, transparent, and we will build a solution for you. Many of our clients, we have opted for those specialised lenders that do provide a service for them, and it's never too late to change. So we can work on building strategies to get you there, fix your credit, and then get you back to playing with the rest of the market where you'll get the best rates possible and the best service. Little tips and things, avoiding bad credit, pay your bills on time. I mean, your credit card says it's due on the 30th of the month, make sure you paid on or before the 30th of the month. Your water bill's due on the 28th of the month, make sure it's on or before the 28th of the month. Best tips and tricks for managing your money there is try and line your bills up all in the one sort of week or end of the month, so that way you know there's money in the account when it's time to pay. And if you've missed one, get on the front foot straight away, contact the provider, make the necessary arrangements to make sure that that doesn't crop up and start showing in your credit file. Because then when you want mortgages or refinances, we start to rule ourselves out of a lot of lenders. The less options I have, the more money it's generally going to cost you. So we want to avoid that situation where we can. Things like multiple credit applications where you put in, say, 3 home loan applications in the space of a week with 3 different lenders. All of a sudden you go for that 4th one, and it might be pre-approvals, but this is going to start to impact and incur as bad credit. All of a sudden those other lenders that come 4, 5 and 6 in the chain for you start to worry about why the others have said no. And all of a sudden you can have a very strong application, but they're not willing to consider it because of the number of inquiries. So very important that we manage that very carefully. Negative listings like defaults. If you've got a payment default, the best thing you can do is get on the front foot, get it marked as paid. These things generally tend to hang around for 5 to 7 years on your file. So it's important that you get them marked as paid, because a lot of lenders in today's environment will start to consider those as acceptable, providing we've got a good story around it and we can show means that you made every attempt to fix it when notified. Not the end of the world, it's not great, but hey, we've got options, and that's the main thing to take away from this. We have options. So if you already have bad credit, you're looking for a medium to long-term solution to fix that, I'm here to help. We can build that. Use some of those specialised lenders now to either get in the market, buy the property, or fix your credit file, and then get you back playing in that space where everybody wants to be your friend from a bank perspective. Thanks so much for watching the videos. If you can please click like, share, post any comments below, any queries you have about the content, anything else you'd like to know, just feel free to reach out. We're here for you anytime.